Are you wondering if the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 actually work with iPhones? So I have some good and also some bad news. So first, yep, we can actually connect these earphones to iPhone quite easily and you can listen to music. Also you can use the touch controls on them as well. However, when it comes to negatives, we actually can't customize them basically and use all its features because we do not have the Galaxy Wearable app on iPhones. For example, I see if I connect to Samsung phones, this is what I can actually change here. So all the active noise cancellation modes, also customize the earbud controls, voice controls. We can also, for example, change the EQ as well if you want. Again, there's like tons of different things that you can do, so they're mega advanced. So on iPhone, we simply can't get this app. So yeah, for example, if you want to connect to iPhone, it's very easy. So you open them up and you see you have this button on the end here. So you simply click and hold this button for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds. It will enter this mode where it starts to flash. Then we simply go to our settings on our iPhone, open the Bluetooth settings, make sure your Bluetooth is on, and I see it appears here. So we can click on it and they will connect. But again, so make sure these lights are flashing like that. And then you can instantly start using them. So you can take them out, put them in your ear and music will work. Also, see if you click this info thing, we can, for example, change the device type and also disconnect them. But when it comes to features and what we can customize, again, there's nothing that we can do on the iPhone. We simply do not have access to that app we have on Android phones. So that's a bit of, yeah, a bit ridiculous. Anyway, good luck.